Welcome to the discussion of work examples of magnifying glass. There will be 2 videos about work example. Each video will only contain of one number. Let's begin with number 1. The near point of a hyperopia person is 60 cm. The person is using a magnifying glass of power 10 diopter to read with maximum accommodation. Calculate the distance of the object from the lens and the angular magnification of the magnifying glass. Let's try to solve this question first. From the problem, we know that the near point of the person or the PP of the person is 60 cm. The power of the lens is 10 diopter. We were asked to calculate the distance of the object from the lens and also the angular magnification of the magnifying glass. First, let's calculate the focal length of the lens. Power equals to 100 over focal length. The power is 10 diopter equals to 100 over f. This gives us the value of focal length equals to 10 cm. After we find the focal length, we can now calculate the angular magnification of the magnifying glass. Remember, the person is using the magnifying glass with maximum accommodation. So, the correct equation to calculate the angular magnification is Mmax equals to PP over F plus 1. The PP is 60, the focal length is 10 plus 1. This equals to 7 times. This is the angular magnification of the magnifying glass when used with maximum accommodation. Now let's try to find the distance of the object from the lens. First, we have to determine the SI. SI equals to negative PP. Why SI equals to negative PP? First, the negative sign here shows us that the image formed by the magnifying glass is a virtual image. And then, why this is PP? Because the person is using the magnifying glass with maximum accommodation. So, the image must be formed exactly at the near point of the person. So, the SI equals to negative 60 cm. Now, let's use the general equation. 1 over SO plus 1 over SI equals to 1 over F. 1 over SO minus 1 over 60 equals to 1 over 10. 1 over SO equals to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 60. This gives us 6 plus 1 over 60 or 7 over 60. We have to flip the value to get the SO. So SO equals to 60 over 7 centimeter. Let's check our answer with the answer key on the problem. The answer key for the SO is 60 per 7 centimeter and the angular magnification is 7 times. So we have the correct answer, angular magnification 7 times, SO 60 per 7 centimeter. Let's move on with the question B. If the person wishes to read without accommodation, how far and to which direction the object must be moved? So in this case, for the new condition of accommodation, we have to calculate the new SO. Then we can get how far the object must be moved. The focal length of the lens is still the same, which is 10 centimeter. Now the person wishes to read without accommodation. Therefore, the SI now must be equal to negative of PR of the person. This person is a hyperopia. So, we can assume that the PR of the person equals to the normal PR, which is infinity. Why the image must be formed at the PR? To be able to read without accommodation, the image must be formed exactly at the far point of the person. Let's use the general equation 1 over SO plus 1 over SI equals to 1 over F. 1 over SO minus 1 over infinity equals to 1 over F. The F is 10 centimeter. Remember, 1 over infinity equals to 0. Therefore, we get 1 over SO equals to 1 over 10. So, SO equals to 10 centimeter. Remember that the first SO from the previous question, SO before, or let's just use the term SO max, which shows us that the SO is for the maximum accommodation, is 60 per 7 centimeter. Now let's try to calculate the difference between the SO. So 60 over 7, this is equal to 8 4 per 7 centimeter. This is smaller than 10 centimeter. So the difference in SO equals to 10 minus 8 4 over 7 centimeter. This is equal to 1 3 per 7 centimeter or 10 per 7 centimeter. Because the new SO is farther than the old one, we now know that the object must move farther from the lens. So the answer is 10 per 7 centimeter away from the lens. Now let's try to check our answer with the answer key provided in the problem. The answer is 10 per 7 centimeter away from the magnifying glass. So we have the correct answer, 10 per 7 centimeter away from the lens. The lens is the magnifying glass. In the next video, we will try to discuss the second question. Bye for now.